Polkadot holders, pay attention. DOT could be preparing for a massive move. And some analysts believe the road to $10 may finally be opening. But is this a real breakout or another trap? Let's find out. Polkadot holders, this chart is showing something very interesting right now. On the weekly timeframe, DOT remains in a long-term downtrend, trading below the major moving averages. However, the price is currently holding a strong support zone between 90 cents and $1. What's catching traders' attention is the potential falling wedge pattern forming on the chart. Historically, this pattern can signal a bullish reversal if buyers step in and break key resistance levels. The first major resistance sits between $1.5 and $2. If DOT manages to break above that zone, momentum could accelerate toward the $3.5 to $4 range. And if the next crypto bull market arrives, some analysts believe the road back to $10 could finally reopen. But remember, DOT is still in a bearish structure, so traders should wait for confirmation before getting overly bullish. Now we are at. On the daily timeframe, DOT remains in a strong bearish trend, with the price trading below the 50, 100, and 200 EMA levels. This tells us that sellers are still controlling the market. However, there is one bullish sign. DOT is currently holding a major support zone between 90 cents and $1. So far, buyers are defending this level and preventing a deeper breakdown. Another interesting signal is that the RSI is moving into oversold territory. Historically, when DOT becomes oversold near strong support, relief rallies can occur. For bulls, the first resistance zone is between $1.30 and $1.50. A breakout above that level could trigger a stronger move toward the next major resistance around $1.80 to $2. But if support around $1 fails, DOT could face another wave of selling pressure. For now, traders should watch the $1 support and the $1.30 breakout level very closely. Now Polkadot traders, take a look at this 4-hour chart because things are getting interesting. Right now, DOT is trading around the $1 support zone after experiencing a strong sell-off. The price remains below the 50, 100, and 200 EMA levels, which tells us that the overall trend is still bearish. However, there is a positive sign. Buyers stepped in near the $1 support level and managed to push the price slightly higher. This suggests that demand is starting to appear in this area. The most important level to watch now is the first resistance zone between $1.30 and $1.50. If DOT can break above this range, we could see a stronger recovery move toward the next target around $1.80 to $2. On the other hand, if support around $1 fails, sellers may regain control and push the price lower again. The RSI is also sitting near oversold levels, which means a short-term bounce remains possible. For now, traders should closely monitor the support at $1 and the breakout zone around $1.30. Do you think DOT is preparing for a bullish reversal? Or is this just another temporary bounce in a bear market? Let me know in the comments and follow for more crypto analysis.